back to my channel. Great to see you again, and welcome to our first timers. Hope you enjoy this channel along with us. Guys, if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and subscribe underneath. That way every week we can come from my kitchen to your kitchen and we can have fun together making these great recipes. Have you ever had a great, incredible, chewy cookie that you just cannot get enough of? Now, you know, as you notice in my channel, I am a cookie freak. I like to make cookies. I'm gonna keep making cookies. My family and friends love cookies. Trust me, Christmas around my house, you want to be there because it's covered with cookies. This one though, they're special. I call them everyday cookies. They're made out of oatmeal, cranberries, or raisins. They're absolutely delicious. They're chewy. You keep them in a jar. When you get that craving, dip in the jar, quick bite. You are satisfied and don't have to feel overly guilty because they're not overly loaded with sugar and other stuff. Guys, sit back. Let me show you how we cook these. I told you, no, it was easy, not too complicated. Few ingredients, make them up fast, and you're done. I do recommend highly, like I did say in the video, please put them in the fridge for an hour to an hour and a half before you scoop them and bake them. That way they remain nice and firm and high the way you want them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us those likes. And if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and subscribe underneath. And don't forget to ring that bell so that way every week we can come from my kitchen to your kitchen, make these great recipes and have fun together. Once again, don't forget to share this video around with your friends and family and keep those comments coming. We love reading them. We love giving you feedback and hearing feedback from you, which is most important. Thank you again. Have a great week and we'll see you next time.